I am fired up about today, and the team is ready, and I know it's going to be a great day.
This is a celebration, but it's also a way to connect with people. It's also a way to engage in our entrepreneurial community. There's nothing like this in our region.
We are the advantage, and we are here.
Today I'm here to network, to meet up with friends, the folks in the backyard here in Sacramento. So it's super fun. It's really cool to see something like this in the region.
I think better companies come from homegrown investor entrepreneur partnerships, and that's what this is all about. So very good panels, and yeah, blown away.
Growing an ecosystem in our region that supports founders and innovators, something that's at the heart of what we do at the airport system. And there's no better place to do it than right here at the Growth Factory.
And when I saw this event happening out here, I was like, it's a can't miss event. I was super excited to see this event here. I normally go to the Bay for conferences like these and connecting with venture companies. So it's fabulous.
Everybody was actually really excited. These founders and those who won an award for their recognition for their many years of hard work and digging throughout the community to find the right mentors has finally come to fruition for them. So it was really nice to see their faces beaming, knowing that some of their dreams are coming true because of this ecosystem that's being built here in our own backyard.
Honestly, I think the sky's the limit. I mean, I'm meeting companies in here that are literally in my backyard, in El Dorado Hills and Camera Park, that are creating amazing tech. So, it's pretty exciting, I think. It's an exciting time for this region, for growth. I mean, I think we're the next Silicon Valley, and I'm just happy to be a part of it.
I love the backyard advantage. I think all of us make us better together, and it is so great to see this ecosystem just blossom in our region.
It gave us a good opportunity to meet different people, share some ideas, make some great connections. So we look forward to next year.
It was a fantastic day, and I couldn't thank my teammates enough, and of course all the people that are part of building the Backyard Advantage. It's been a blast.